Hi, my name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We help people with divorce and child custody cases. And I'm coming to you today to answer the most commonly asked questions about divorce on the internet. This question is, how do you say, I want a divorce? I don't know. I've never had to do this. What I tell people when they come in my office, and I met with over 10,000 at this point, what I tell people is, you know your spouse much better than I know your spouse. So you need to think, how can I break it to this person? How can I communicate this effectively and with compassion and with empathy? Because this is a very hard thing to hear, right? And a lot of people are really taken by surprise when their spouse says they want to get divorced. They literally have no idea that it got that bad. Okay. So you want to do it with compassion. You want to do it with empathy. And I just don't know your spouse. So I can't tell you exactly how to do this, but you should know how to communicate with that person and pick the best time and the best situation to communicate this. Do it as lovingly as possible. Don't get in another fight and use that as a pretext for saying, I want a divorce. Like, that is literally the worst way you can do it. And all that does is lead to acrimony, and it leads to a really difficult divorce situation. It makes my job harder helping you try to figure out and negotiate, what your divorce is going to look like. So don't do that. Be compassionate, be nice as humanly possible about it. And, and pick a time where you're alone, you're not around other people. Obviously, you just want this as isolated between the two of you as possible, where you can sit down and then answer questions afterward, because I guarantee you're going to have a long discussion about this. So, find a time when you actually have 30 minutes, an hour after that to talk about what things look like and see if you might be able to kind of work things out on your own, and then deal with the emotions, the attendant emotions that are going to come along with this. It's not an easy conversation to have, and you want to give it the space and the time and the compassion that's necessary. Okay. Now, if you need help with your divorce, we're here for you. Can help you out. It's Brown Family Law. It's 801-685-9999. Thank you.